Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna share with you some news. Also I'm gonna share with you some of my analysis about market, and they're all my personal thought, personal idea. So let's just start. First of all, I wanna say happy Eid for all Muslim around the world because today their holiday. And unfortunately I'm gonna start with some sad news cause Gulf countries intercept fresh wave of Iranian attacks as Eid holiday begins. They hit a state oil company in Kuwait, same as they made these missiles on Dubai, even 20 minutes before then prayer time. It's very sad because they're both Muslim countries, and I really condemn Iran because guys, today is Eid Day. Today is for peace in the world. That's why they're celebrating their passion, their beliefs, and I really don't like the manner of Iran. It's not good cause just 20 minutes before the praying time is just very unrespectful behavior, I can say it. Anyway, I wish we would live at the past cause that time people were known about manner when we judging about Israel, but if you are also making that, you don't have any differences from any of them. And of course this is my just personal thoughts, I don't live in Dubai, so I just wanted to say that as additional. So the war is still continue, no matter there's aid, no matter there's a peace days, just it's continue. And other news, Iran war volatility is driving oil trading boom on hyperliquid, says JP Morgan. Guys, when Iran war continue, the petrol keep rise so much, and the futures trading hours open 24/7. That's why even people can make trade on chain with no time issue. That's good cause yes, the things petrol keep rising on this way, of course not good, but the things on our side it's good cause when people trade in futures, that's mean when they people using chains on even petrol, even gold, even all the things, on all the things, that's good for coin because they are thinking this is not just a coin, they can even trade commodity on chain. That's good for a long term. For a long term period, we can say this is a bullish. So let's start to see market. To be honest, there is not much differences because there is have no volume. So when there is a no volume, market just making stable movement. That's why. But anyway, let's just repeat what's gonna happen because I just wanted to you remember what I'm gonna say now in weekend. So this is Bitcoin. Let's start with total. Yes, yesterday you remember I told you it will make rise, of course if it can hold over this line, and it did it. Now it's rise 2.41. Of course it takes some reaction over there and it dropped down, but as long as it's make higher low, we can see double bottom formation in here and we can still continue our expectation. So when it came here, that time market will decide, but till there we still have time. In gold, guys, as I told you, it dropped and it's not surprise, it's keep dropping. When it was here, I told you yesterday it will drop, no worry. And now I'm still thinking on the same way. It might make again another bearish flag, whatever it is, it will drop. We will see, it looks like we will see 4,380 on gold. So you can still continue your shorts. I don't think so this will be some reversal because there's some wicks. When there's some long wicks, market like to fill it up. That's why. In silver also making same as gold, of course is dropping more percentage, but anyway, long story short, I still see some drops on silver as well. When you thinking about investment, just watch out, just wait till see those area on silver and wait, of course, some reaction. And now Bitcoin. Also Bitcoin makes this movement, this up movement on side on our line, which is good. Even it didn't touch till here, it's very close with wicks as you see on my expectation, and it's made reversal exactly on here. So this is good. It may make double bottom as total. That's what I'm thinking. As long as it's make higher low, little higher low, that's good. Then we're gonna understand it's making double bottom. Then after we will see first 74 on Bitcoin, then maybe we can go sharply to 76. Then we will see some decision on market, because guys, this area is little dangerous, as you can know. Ethereum. Oops. Ethereum, we are in Ethereum right now. I do also expect same movement as Bitcoin. So what I told you here, it will walk like zigzag movement, and it's inside of long position. So let's see, I do expect some movement inside of that, because we need volume. Then we might see some price on Ethereum as well. But of course, in bad scenario, we have a short position, so there is no any problem. BNB didn't enter our position because I made it at the top, because we need to see some guarantee. When it's break up this line, that time we will understand there is a volume, there is a way to go for BNB. Right now it's not make sense. If it's break down, we will open short on 625. If it's not, if it's decided to rise, then we will make position on long at 660. Right now there's have small drops in market and on market. That's okay, guys, because today aid and no volume high. So let's see. And Solana inside of our position, and in it's even gave us 3.28. You would close half when it's reached, but I do still think it will rise. So let's see, because it didn't break down this line as well. All market giving same shape, almost same shape. Of course, when total decided to go, they will go. That's the point. But today, to be less volume, that's understandable. Bitcoin Cash made stop us on here, but that's okay. So as I told you, it will walk inside of that channel, even though it may drop. This is good for great traders or who pro, and they can get their percentage in here. XRP going not okay. When it's drop, I can give a position for XRP now, because when it's drop lower than this level, for sure, let's make it 2, for sure it will give us this. I don't want to say for sure, because this is market, guys, but this is important level, because we can consider this as change of character. If it break the structure, we can consider this is like a retest. That's why if it's break down this level, we can see a drop. Just leave it anyway. It was the area when it can take some reaction. Let me make it a little bit lower, just in case with weeks, Yes. XLM made us stop, and bad things, what? It will drop. Bad things, it will drop, but no need to make any position for this right now. But if you're a pro trader, you can consider at least this area. Let me just mark it. So for sure it will make this, but the things after break down this level. Link not inside of our short position, because it didn't break this line, and it's not came for pro trader up as well. It's still stable. So if it can take reaction over this level, again we will get higher low, then that will give a good signal. But if it's not, if it break down, it will drop, guys, sorry. And ZEC still didn't drop on my level, so it will drop, no worry. We have position. And BGB, what I did told you yesterday, it will come here, maximum it can reach here, then it will rise. That I told you why it's that much slim. Anyway, it's rised, so that's good, but it's not make sense to make some position on it, because it still have some space. It can drop again. And Pippin, guys, this is not a good move. As I told you, if it cannot hold over here, it can breakdown, but it would work also inverse head and shoulders. So let's see. If it's not work like that, we will see very deep drop on Pippin. Of course, first here, then if it drop sharply, then there. And river, yes, it's drop, it's enter again this exactly this place, then it drop. Of course it will drop, guys. People will earn warnings from this. Of course the market maker not gonna let you take it in one shot. If you open position, if you know thinks this is inverse head and shoulders, let's open 50x, they will get liquid. Even like 5x you might get liquid over here. Let's see. Yeah, 31%. So it's understandable, no worry, it will rise because there's a very obvious formation. So this is not only me seeing that, everybody seeing, that's why it's understandable. Liquidation grab, that's. And SOMI I don't like, Kite especially I don't like. This might give good short, but no need. And Aster also on this line, guys. If it drop down over this level and close a candle, it will drop sharply. I can say it about Aster. Dot enter our position and it rise a little bit. That's okay. We already dropped our stop loss. I do expect this to come, and it's giving 20%, which is perfect. That's why I used lower leverage, please, to stay in the market. Sky also same like that. We were considering those coins as a support, that's why it still need time. And Fed looks like it might give, if it's not a flag, it might give good short, but it's dangerous because this is Fed. It might make straight movement as well. If it's turned back, we have a pretty long way to make stop loss 9%. It not make sense. And hype also looking like it's breaking. Let's think positive. Let's say it's here, but it looks like it's breaking down their support, and it looks like it's gonna give us this area. If you're pro trader, you can consider this box, and it's allowing us to get 10%, which is good in this market. Of course, that is nothing in market yet. So guys, long story short, if Bitcoin make reversal and make little higher low, then we will see some rise movement till 75, 76. If we can hodl over there, we will see good days in crypto market. But the things we need to watch out, cause crypto market change like that. You know it. How many times I told you that? If you're considering spot, that would be good place to take. You can take part. Like when it's here, you can take it. When it's here, you can take it. Like if it decided to drop, you can slowly collect all of them, and you can make average your entry price. That's good strategy. Always make it that, don't take it in one shot. But so far, that's my opinion. I do see good market. Of course, we need to follow up news. We need to check all the details, all updates about Bitcoin, cause things can change fast in crypto. And currently in the world, there's a lot of geopolitical problems. We need to watch out because it's our investment. So that's it, guys. I hope you can have great weekend. I'll see you on Monday.